Welcome to another episode of Guns and Gardens. It used to be a popular show on the internet. Now it's probably the most popular show in the world.
It's the only show in the world.
Yeah, well, whatever. But we're just leaving Reno, Nevada. Wait, I'll tell you, if you thought that place was a dump before the zombie attacks...
You know, I actually like it a lot better now.
That's true, we did get some supplies. Hey, what's this?
I don't know.
Oh, it looks like she's broken down.
Huh.
Like a radiator or something.
Careful.
Let's check this out.
Hey, you! You okay? Hey!
Oh, fuck, that's loud.
Yep, definitely Zed. What's the word on the truck, Gxaoui?
Let's fuck it.
Hey, Q, check the back.
Holy moly! Damn it, man! I think this kid was human. Although he's dead now.
Wait, there's another kid in the car.
Holy moly! That ain't human.
Oh.
Holy shit.
Jesus Christ.
Let's see what we can scavenge. That poor bastard. You know, that kid, he was perfectly healthy. He was just trapped in the car.
Yeah, but he had a zombie family.
And 100 miles from nowhere.
Yeah, but he was human. He needed our help. We really should have helped him. What did we do? Well, here we are in the Black Rock Desert in Nevada. It's a big, flat, dry, inhospitable place. It's so big, it's one of the places where they used to set land speed records.
You could land a space shuttle out here.
Yeah, I suppose you could. It's so far from any major cities or even roads, and it's so dry that it's very inhospitable to all forms of life. And we're hoping that it's inhospitable to most forms of the dead as well.
Dry zombie is an unproductive zombie.
We can only hope. We really lucked out with our vehicle choices in Reno. There was no shortage of big trucks and RVs to choose from, and we ended up going with this beat-up old Ford pickup, diesel, and this half-stripped-out fifth wheel. Gas may be long gone, and most vehicle gas tanks sucked dry long ago as well. But luckily, there's plenty of vegetable oil. Believe it or not, sitting right there on store shelves.
Yeah, it seems like people were more interested in the cereal and cookies than the vegetable oil. We got over 300 gallons back there.
Fortunately, diesel engines run great on vegetable oil. Just gotta heat the stuff up.
We really lucked out leaving Reno. In addition to getting ourselves a working quad runner, we actually found a couple of stores totally stocked with guns.
I know, right? Food, gone. Water, gone. Supplies, gone. But guns freaking everywhere.
Yeah, but not so much ammo laying around. Sometimes you have to pick your gun by what kind of bullets you have. Makes for some interesting selections.
No worries, we got plenty.
Gotta stay frosty.
Unlike in video games and the movies, propane tanks don't blow up when you shoot them with a handgun. In fact, they really don't blow up at all. Can you hear that? That bing? That's hitting the propane tank. No explosion. What's up with that? There we go. There we go! Seems like a shotgun to me.
So I think what we're learning here, you really want big guns, big bullets, create big holes. Well, we've set up camp on the playa, it's nighttime, and we're not alone.
Yeah, there's other small groups of survivors out here. You rarely run into them. People tend to keep to themselves, but we saw a few before dark, and they told us that the playa's been zombie-free for at least 3 weeks.
Yeah, Zed would be hard-pressed to survive out here.
Hopefully. Well, anyway, it's dinner time. Those propane cans that we played with earlier, they were mostly empty, so we had to come up with an alternative fuel to cook dinner with. Luckily, when we were passing through Reno, there was no shortage of stale and disgusting junk food like these Cheetos, these pork rinds, and I don't even know what these things are. But they've got so many calories in them that they'll burn really well and be the fuel for our fire.
You definitely don't want to eat any of this crap. It's no nutritional value, but this?
See that? That's the difference between life and death right there. Now that we've got a fire this big, we can cook up anything we want. Rice, beans, pasta, healthy food.
Oh, I already ate. I'm going to bed. Wake me up for the first watch.
I'll wake you. Anyway, we're gonna cook up some dinner. Maybe it's time we call it a night. We'll catch up with you in the morning.
What the fuck? Mark! Gxaoui! Mae! What's going on?
Gxaoui's gone.
What? What's happening?
I don't know. I woke up to gunfire and screaming.
Where's Gxaoui?
I shot him.
Shut up. This is a bad scene. It's hours until daylight. The RV's been compromised. Gxaoui's dead. There's nothing really we can do except hunker down. Wait for daylight. The last night was pretty rough. We lost Gxaoui. The three of us are okay, but now we've got one major problem. No water.
Yeah, we lost all of it in the fight last night.
It's true. Fortunately, there's a hot springs just over there.
Ugh, God, that place must be like naked hippie gravy. Is that gonna be clean enough to drink?
Oh, dude, if you know how, I mean, you can pretty much purify any water.
I'm back in 2 minutes. Just hang tight.
Bye, man. He's not coming back.
Mark, you'll be fine. Let's cut to commercial.
You want to keep your gun warm, but it can get cold staking out your ex's condo all night. You want to have your gun available, but regular gun cases are so darn complicated, and leaving your gun out unprotected can cause scratches and dings. What is an American to do? Introducing the Gun Snuggie, the blanket for your gun. It comes in 3 convenient sizes: shotgun, handgun, and because you requested it, the assault rifle Snuggie. Whether you're at the beach, reading by the fire, or just waiting out the zombie apocalypse, the Gun Snuggie is the perfect accessory. Comes in classic blue, popular urban, and introducing just for her, the new Lady Snuggie in pink. Protect your loved ones by protecting the one you love. The Gun Snuggie, the blanket for your gun. Order now.
Where's Mark?
Oh wait, I got him. I knew he'd be okay.
Does he have water?
I can't tell, he's too far out. Huh. Oh, okay. We got a problem. Zed.
Get the guns. Oh, fuck.
We need that water. Cover me.
All right. Oh, shit.